be recording some stuff here in the bathroom for trying to get some nice water running and water dripping sounds out of this bathroom here, out of this toilet. So give it a sec. Let's leave it here. Let's try various locations here on the toilet. So you can leave it here on top of the toilet, down here on the actual lid of the toilet. There's also a nice little vent over here that we can put it on. There's a trash can here that we can put it on as well. Let's try it. Alright?
Just some quick recordings around the toilet here made it really easy to get some nice sounds. Water dripping and drone-like sounds that can easily be transformed into nice drones that we can use for background ambiences in basically any situation. But primarily sci-fi, but I like working on sci-fi too. This here's the lid of the toilet. This is the side of the toilet. And this is on the trash can located right next to the toilet. And this last one here is basically inside the cistern. And this one here is the recording of the actual toilet that I've mixed together and just added some effects to and made a nice drone out of. So just to be absolutely clear, that you with a phone obviously can record noises. Maybe they are not too good on their own, like these. They can be manipulated forever into awesome stuff that you can use. Don't tell me that this couldn't be used in a specific situation. Or if you use your tools like Wavelab or any DAW that you're using a lot, then you will know shortcuts as to how to manipulate tiny sounds and bad recordings into really cool stuff. Thank you for watching this episode. It was really short, but more to come. Thank you for watching Cujo Sound. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Or support me at patreon.com/Cujo Sound, where you for as little as $1 a month can help me sustain this channel. Thank you very much.